Could the Galaxy S25 be the ultimate AI-powered phone you've been waiting for? With Samsung's big reveal just around the corner, leaks about the Galaxy S25 series are already creating a buzz. These high-end devices are not just about better hardware. They're introducing some powerful new AI features that could redefine your smartphone experience. So what exactly can you expect from these latest innovations? Let's explore the details. One of the standout features making its way to the Galaxy S25 lineup is Circle to Search. This tool is designed to revolutionize how you interact with your videos. Imagine being able to quickly find and search for tagged people within a video using the Samsung Studio editing app. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also have the option to extract high-quality still images from any video recorded on your phone. This means that capturing those perfect moments in stunning detail will be easier than ever, making your video editing process more efficient and enjoyable. Next on the list is the intriguing AI Select feature. This tool lets you cut specific parts of a video and convert them into a GIF. While that might seem similar to existing features on third-party apps or Samsung's built-in editor, the real advantage lies in its simplicity and potential for higher quality results. If Samsung manages to deliver a smoother and more user-friendly experience, this feature could become a go-to for quick and fun video edits on the fly. The Call Assist feature is also getting a significant upgrade. Known for its real-time audio translation, this tool is expanding its language support to include 20 additional languages. With the current version already supporting 20 languages, this update doubles its capabilities, making it an invaluable tool for multilingual communication. Whether you're traveling or connecting with people from different parts of the world, this expanded language support ensures you're always understood. But that's not all. Samsung is packing even more AI-driven features into the Galaxy S25. Previously leaked innovations like Homework AI and Music Search are set to debut with this new series. Homework AI aims to assist students with their academic tasks, potentially turning the Galaxy S25 into an essential tool for learning. Meanwhile, Music Search could redefine how you discover and interact with music on your device, offering a more personalized and intuitive experience. Enhanced routines are another exciting addition, allowing users to automate everyday tasks more effectively. These improvements aim to make your daily life smoother by predicting your needs and adjusting settings accordingly. Additionally, the integration of Gemini AI into apps like Samsung Calendar, Samsung Notes, and Samsung Reminder is expected to bring a new level of smart organization and productivity to your device. With these enhancements, managing your schedule and keeping track of important tasks will be more seamless than ever. These AI features are not just about making your phone smarter, they're about making your life easier. By focusing on intuitive design and practical applications, Samsung is aiming to deliver a user experience that feels natural and supportive, helping you get more done with less effort. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be more than just a smartphone. It's a companion that understands and adapts to your needs. If you're as excited as we are about the Galaxy S25, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you all the latest updates and in-depth looks at what these new features can do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Are you ready to be amazed by the latest innovation in smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is here to turn heads and set new standards. As we inch closer to the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, promotional materials have already given us a sneak peek at what's to come. These images reveal the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in breathtaking silver and blue finishes, leaving tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the official launch. One of the standout models in the lineup is the blue Galaxy S25. Or could it be the S25 Plus? Either way, its sleek and vibrant design makes it a clear favorite among the early glimpses we've received. The glossy finish and elegant lines are hard to ignore, promising a device that's as stylish as it is powerful. While we only caught a limited view of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in these promo shots, what's visible is certainly enough to pique interest. The Ultra model has always been Samsung's powerhouse, and this year seems no different. The inclusion of the S Pen is a pleasant sight for fans of Samsung's stylus, though there's still some speculation about whether or not it will retain its Bluetooth functionality. Until we have official confirmation, the rumors will continue to swirl. According to previous leaks, the color options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are nothing short of impressive. Customers can expect to choose from titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will be available in colors such as ice blue, mint navy, and silver shadow. For those looking for something a bit more exclusive, Samsung's website will offer additional color variants, making it even harder to choose just one. Samsung is known for its grand unveilings, and this year's Galaxy Unpacked is set to be no exception. To add to the excitement, Samsung has already opened up reservations for the Galaxy S25 series. This means you can secure your new phone before it officially hits the shelves. And if that's not incentive enough, reserving a device also enters you into a chance to win a $5,000 gift card. It's a win-win situation for those eager to be among the first to own the latest and greatest from Samsung. As we count down to the official release, one thing is clear. The Galaxy S25 series is poised to deliver a perfect blend of aesthetics and performance. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant colors, the cutting-edge features, or the promise of a powerful S Pen experience, there's something in this lineup for everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.
Selling old smartphones often feels like a chore, but Samsung is making it easier for users in South Korea with their new Galaxy Easy Compensation Program. This innovative initiative allows people to sell their old Galaxy phones directly through Samsung's website without the usual requirement to purchase a new device. It's a fresh approach aimed at simplifying the process and providing a hassle-free experience for Galaxy users. The Galaxy Easy Compensation Program is set to launch on January 14, 2025, and it brings a unique twist to the typical trade-in process. Traditionally, when selling an old phone through a manufacturer or retailer, there's an expectation that you'll buy a new one. Samsung's program removes that expectation, offering users the flexibility to sell their phones without any obligation to make a new purchase. This straightforward process is designed to cater to those who want to declutter and earn money from their old devices without committing to a new phone. The process is simple. Users who wish to sell their old Galaxy phones can visit Samsung's website to check the estimated value of their device. Once they decide to proceed, they can send their phone to Samsung via courier. Upon receiving the phone, Samsung will evaluate its condition and categorize it into one of 3 grades: excellent, good, or recycle. Based on this grading, users will receive compensation that corresponds to the condition of their phone. This transparent grading system ensures that sellers get a fair deal for their old devices. The program covers a wide range of Galaxy models, including the Galaxy S20 series, Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy S22 series, and the latest Galaxy S23 series. It also includes the foldable phones such as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, and Z Fold 5. By including these popular models, Samsung ensures that a large portion of its user base can take advantage of the program. Whether you have a standard smartphone or one of Samsung's innovative foldable devices, there's a good chance you'll be eligible to participate. While the program is currently limited to smartphones, Samsung has hinted at the possibility of expanding it to include other devices in the future. This expansion could cover Galaxy Tab devices, smartwatches, and laptops, providing even more options for users looking to recycle their old tech. This broader inclusion would not only benefit users by offering a convenient way to sell various gadgets, but also contribute significantly to reducing electronic waste. Samsung's initiative is not just about convenience. It's also a step towards promoting sustainability and the circular economy. By encouraging users to recycle their old devices, Samsung aims to extend the life cycle of its products and reduce the environmental impact of electronic waste. Jong Ho-jin, Vice President of Samsung Electronics Korea, emphasized the company's commitment to these goals, expressing confidence that the program will enhance the long-term value of Galaxy products and support environmental sustainability. Looking ahead, Samsung plans to expand the Galaxy Easy Compensation Program to other countries. While the company has not disclosed which countries will be included, this global expansion promises to bring the benefits of this program to a wider audience. For Samsung users around the world, this means more opportunities to sell their old devices conveniently and securely. Samsung's Galaxy Easy Compensation Program offers a fresh, user-friendly approach to selling old smartphones. It provides a simple, transparent process that allows users to sell their devices without the need to purchase a new one. With a focus on sustainability and customer convenience, this initiative not only benefits Galaxy users in South Korea, but also holds the promise of making a positive impact on the environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one. Rumors about Samsung potentially removing Bluetooth connectivity from the S Pen in the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra have stirred up a mix of reactions. Introduced with the Galaxy Note 9, the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen allowed users to perform tasks like controlling apps remotely through Air Actions. For those who embrace these features, the change may seem like a step backward. Yet many Galaxy S Ultra users might not even notice the difference, raising questions about the true impact of this decision. Air Actions, for instance, enable remote gestures for controlling select apps, making the S Pen a unique tool for tasks, like presenting slideshows or snapping photos from a distance. However, while these features sound impressive on paper, their real-world utility often left much to be desired. After switching from a Galaxy Note 10 to a Galaxy S22 Plus and experimenting with the Galaxy Tab S7 S Pen, I rarely found these advanced features indispensable in my daily life. The excitement surrounding the S Pen's Bluetooth features often faded once users faced the practical limitations. Compatibility issues with apps and the limited scope of Air actions reduced the appeal. What initially seemed like a groundbreaking innovation eventually felt more like a gimmick that failed to integrate seamlessly into everyday usage. This disconnection between potential and execution may explain why some users won't miss the removal of Bluetooth features. However, it's essential to acknowledge that not everyone shares this perspective. For those who utilize the S Pen's camera clicker functionality, the removal of Bluetooth could be a significant loss. This feature, which allowed users to capture photos remotely, proved to be one of the more practical and widely appreciated uses of the S Pen. Its simplicity and reliability made it a favorite among users who value convenience in photography. Another layer to this discussion involves the potential removal of the S Pen's gyro and accelerometer sensors. These sensors, essential for transmitting motion data, enhance the S Pen's capabilities, making it competitive with tools like Apple's Pencil Pro. If Samsung does not introduce an alternative technology like ultra-wideband UWB to replace Bluetooth, the S Pen's ability to serve as a sophisticated drawing and writing tool could be significantly diminished. The public perception of such a change could also pose challenges for Samsung. If the rumors are accurate, removing these Bluetooth features might lead to negative publicity. Even those who do not regularly use the S Pen might view this as a regression, providing critics with another reason to question Samsung's innovation compared to its competitors, particularly Apple. Despite these concerns, there is a potential silver lining. By shifting focus to the S Pen's core strengths, such as its use for drawing and writing. Samsung could revitalize its appeal. Emphasizing these foundational features might resonate with users who prioritize simplicity and reliability over more complex, less practical functionalities. A refined focus on these core aspects could position the S Pen as a more versatile tool, appealing to both creative professionals and everyday users. While the rumors suggest a potential scaling back of the S Pen's features, it's worth considering that Samsung might have a strategic plan in place